Welcome to another real-time trade. In this video, I'll discuss several ways to manage the trade to empower you to design a trade management model that suits your unique mental wiring. This is the stuff of the real game. Now let's join the trade in progress. Hey guys, Czar here, back with you. Hope all is well. It's 1:02. You know what that means? It's the end of the twilight zone on a Friday, December 1st. I've had one trade today and now looking for a possible reversal here. Who knows? This thing could go much higher. It's been pretty strong today, although we're only up 60 basis points on the S&P, 82 basis points on the Dow, and 31 on the NASDAQ. But we've had quite a rally here today on a relative basis in New York, certainly after Powell started speaking at 11:30 or so, which is right in here. We also had news at 10 o'clock that caused a bit of a spike, but that's okay. All right, watching now, and this is the S&P. Let me give you a quick update, and then I'll put you on pause, and we'll watch this thing happen. So that's the S&P. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Broken a zone here, and we've got some stuff up here ahead, which goes back to just yesterday, Thursday. So we're watching that. We got some clean traffic in the meantime, and then the Dow rallying strongly also, and tapping in into a zone, that goes way back to, I believe, July. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty certain. And may or may not have a whole lot of relevance at this point, but we're just going to watch price action and let the price and the participants and the constituents determine if those levels have relevance or not. And we just react to the dance, that's all. It's a 1 minute chart on the right hand side, daily up in the top left. Very bullish daily, broken yesterday's high after being in a substantial sequential wave rally here for a couple of weeks on end. And there we go. Three sisters. Let me just reset this for you. Take a look together. As you can see, we are at or beyond 2.5 standard deviations on VWAP. This is an overextended, well, it's an extended market. We don't know how overextended it is yet until the market tells us. Watching the NASDAQ here beginning to make a little bit of a move. And so be watching this for a break of structure. I want to see it happen on the other ones as well. But we are beyond extended here based on volume-weighted average price and all historical means. Put you on pause and I'll bring you back as things develop. Here we go. All right, guys, we're back. It's 4 minutes to 3. Power hour. I've been sitting in this trade since 1:12, I believe it was, 1:11, 1:12. It is now, again, almost 3 o'clock power hour. Unfortunately, I have guests coming over for an early dinner. Have to wrap things up here 1 hour early or so. So I'm going to close this thing manually at break even. I'm going to enter an order now at break even. And so looking for prices to just drop down here a little bit and get me out right there on that line, of course. It looks like we're going to go a little bit higher here, so see what we can get. I think there might be a chance here at power hour for this to drop down again. Or it could just fire up. We'll see. And I'll take a loss if I have to here. But it's been one of those afternoons. It's been a good day though. Nice 2-hour win this morning, and now this trade really doing nothing. We almost hit 1 hour. As a matter of fact, 93 to 92.50, half of 1 point away from 1 hour. So it sucks when that happens, but it's part of the game. Let's see if we can drop down here a little bit and just get out of break even. And there it is, guys. Jumping out at break even. Prices actually went a little bit higher and then pulled back down. So we'll take the break even there manually. So all 4 models had a break even reaction. This thing, result I should say, this thing could drive all the way down without me, but I won't be here for it. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you. Have an amazing weekend. And thank you for your support, for clicking the like button, for saying hi in the comments. We'll talk to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.